culturally, or Bengali culture, is that it is looked down upon for men to take their daughter's wedding tour. It's looked down upon. নশার বাড়িয়ে বিয়ার মাত লইয়া আইতা, আমরা সমাজও নশার বাড়িয়ে বিয়ার মাত লইয়া আইতা, খুইনার বাড়ি লইয়া গেলে এটা শরম. That's culture. What does Islam say? You find a suitable spouse and you go directly to the man. So for you, young man, handsome man, mashallah, the future wife, may Allah bless you with a beautiful wife, inshallah. The father of that wife, your future father-in-law, should come straight to you and say, son, I've seen you do this, tell me about yourself. And what do you think about marriage? What's your thought on this? And you will explain it. And then the future father-in-law will go and speak to your dad. Or he will say to you, you talk to your dad and come to me, if you want to do the Bengali version. Our